Hello everyone, how are you? Now today's topic is Paralympic. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of Paralympic. Paralympic is the game is a multi-sports event for athletic with physical, mental and sensory disability. This is especially for those who are mentally, physically and emotionally handicapped. You can say this is for those who are mentally and physically not fit. Paralympic, you can say, uh, children with special need, as you know, we are using this word. The Paralympic Games is a multi-sports event for with athletes with physical, mental and sensory disabilities. These games are held every 4 years following by Olympic Games and our government by the International Paralympic Committee (IPC). The IPC organizes summer and winter games, Paralympic Games also. Right? The word para is diverted from Greek proportional para. Para means besides, alongside, and the word is Olympic. It is a mean that Paralympic are the parallel game of the Olympic and illustrate how two movements exist side by side. The Paralympic Games originate at the Stoke Middleville Hospital in the Great Britain in 1944. Dr. Loding, Lodwing Gutton and German spinal injury doctor opened a spine injury center at the hospital to treat where veteran through rehabilitation sports. Basically ये एक ये उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया, ब्रिटेन में डॉक्टर थे, डॉक्टर गटनन, जो जर्मन स्पाइनल इंजरी के डॉक्टर थे. उन्होंने रिक्रिएशन के लिए जो वेटरन इन द सेंस कि जो जो बुजुर्ग हो गए थे, जो पेशेंट्स जो फिजिकली और मेंटली वीक हो गए थे, उनके लिए ये एक एज अ रिक्रिएशन रिहेबिलिटेशन एक उनके लिए स्पोर्ट्स बनाया था. दीज ग्रेजुअली इन्वॉल्व द रिक्रिएशन स्पोर्ट्स एंड देन अ कम्पेटिटिव स्पोर्ट्स. द स्ट्रोक मेडलविल गेम वर फर्स्ट organized in 1948 with London Olympic Games. There were later called the Paralympic Games. In 1960 they took place in Rome. Italy. Since then they have taken place every 4 years. The category of Paralympic Games include amputee, cerebral palsy, intellectual disability, wheelchaired and visually impaired. Now what is the value? What is the value of Paralympic Games? First of all, courage, then determination, inspiration, equality. These four values are very important. Courage किसी भी काम करने के लिए ना courage होनी चाहिए, इच्छा होनी चाहिए, will power होनी चाहिए. You can say ना, through their performances, para athletic showcase to the world that what can be achieved by testing one's body into the absolute limit. Determination. Para athletes have a unique strength of character that combine mental toughness, physical ability, and outstanding agility to produce sports performance that redefine the boundary of possibilities. Inspiration. The role model para athletics maximum their ability, thus improving and extending other in participating in sports. Then equality होती समानता. Through sports, para athletic challenge stereotype and transform athletic attitude. They help to increase inclusion by breaking down social barrier and discrimination towards people with special needs. This is very important. And what is the motto of Paralympic? What is the motto of Paralympic? The Paralympic motto is sprint in motion. You can see here the symbols of Paralympic and Paralympic flag. The motto was introduced in 204 at the Paralympic Games in Athens. The previous motto was Mind Body Spirit, which is introduced in 1994. Right? Paralympic symbol, as you seeing in the screen, the symbol of Paralympic Games is composed by three agitos colored red, blue, and green, color that are the most commonly represented the national flag around the world. ये तीन कलर हैं. Then the encircling the single point of the on a white field. The word agito meaning the meaning of I, move in Latin. Agitio means I move in, I move. मैं कर सकता हूँ, I move in the symbol of movement in the shape of an astrometrical crescent. This Paralympic symbol was approved in April 2003 and was first used in 2006 Paralympic Winter Game in Turin, Italy. You can see here the flag and the symbols. Well, Paralympic flags. Paralympic flag has a white background with the Paralympic symbol in the center. The flame and the torch. You can see in the Paralympic flame, a torch relays. The flame travel through the religious of the host country. In 2013, the International Paralympic Committee (IPC) declared that UK will be involved in all flame and torch relay for the Paralympic Games in order of commemorate of Stroke Medwell Hospital in Buckinghamshire as the birthplace of Paralympic movement. On the day of the opening ceremony, the flame reaches the main stadium and used to light a cardamom saturated in the prominent part of the venue to signify the beginning of the games. It is then kept burning throughout the game till the closing ceremony, when it is extinguished to signify end of the Paralympic Games. Medals, as you know, the medals, 3 medals is there: silver, bronze, or gold. The Paralympic medal are awarded to the top 3 sports person in different events. A gold medal for winner, second bronze, and this is third. Paralympic oath. The Paralympic oath. The Paralympic oath is the solemn promise made by the all athlete participating in as a representative of each of the participating Paralympic competitor, and by one judge as a representative of each officiating Paralympic referee or other official at the opening ceremony of every Paralympic Games. The athlete from the team of the organizing country hold the corner of the Paralympic flag while recitating the oath. Right? Paralympic order. Paralympic order is the highest attribute to person connected with the Paralympic movement can achieve. It honor people to have exemplified the Paralympic idea through their action, made remarkable strategies and in Paralympic sports, or rendered outstanding service to the Paralympic cause. The resistant get medal with the IPC logo on it. Right? This is the Paralympic oath. Paralympic at the Olympic. Paralympic athletes have sought equal opportunity to compete at the Olympic Games. The precedent was set by Neroli Farrell, at Paralympic archer from New Zealand, who completed at the 1984 Summer Olympic in Los Angeles. In 2008, Oscar Pistorius of South African sprinter attempt to qualify for the 2008 Summer Olympic. Pistorius held both his legs. aperture below the knee and races with the two carbon blades manufactured by Oscar. His hold Paralympic world record in 400-meter event. Pistorius qualified for the 2008 Summer Olympic in 400-meter race by 0.7 second. He qualified for the 2008 Summer Olympic, where he won gold medal in 100-meter, 200-meter, and 400-meter sprints. As you see, this is the man who won the 2007 8 July track. This is the blade he used in Olympic, and he stood first, second, third.